परवर्ती खबर को आसवा भुवनेश्वर चलता इंडिया एंड द इंडियन ओशन शीर्षक अंतर्जातीय सम्मेलन आज उद्यापन दिवस शेष दिन में जोग केन्द्र प्रतिरक्षा मंत्री मनोहर पारिकर। ଏହି ଅବସରରେ ସେ ଭାରତୀୟ ମହାସାଗର ଅଞ୍ଚଳର ନୌବାଣିଜ୍ୟ ଉପରେ ଆଲୋକପାତ କରି ଏଥିରେ ଭାରତ ଗୁରୁତ୍ୱପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଭୂମିକା ନିର୍ବାହ କରିଥିବା କହିଛନ୍ତି। ଏହି ସାମୁଦ୍ରିକ ଅଞ୍ଚଳ ତୈଳ ଓ ପ୍ରାକୃତିକ ଗ୍ୟାସରେ ସମୃଦ୍ଧ ଏବଂ ବିଶ୍ୱ କାର୍ଗୋ ଟ୍ରାଫିକ୍ର ଏକ ତୃତୀୟାଂଶ ପରିବହନ କରିଥାଏ। ଏହି ସାମୁଦ୍ରିକ ସୀମାରେ ଭାରତ ଅବସ୍ଥିତି ଏକ ଗୁରୁତ୍ୱପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ସ୍ଥାନରେ ରହିଛି ବୋଲି ପାରିକର କହିଛନ୍ତି।
This area is very important. It has almost, I think, 56 or 57% of the world reserves in oil. It has about 40-45% of gas reserves of the declared assets. We don't know about things which have not been found so far. It's very rich in oil, gas. It almost carries 2/3 of the trade in oil. Every liter of oil going to China moves through this region. Coming to India obviously moves through this region. It has almost more than 50% of the container traffic and probably about 1/3 of the cargo traffic which moves. And India is located in a position which is very crucial. The kings whose names we recognize, they always understood the importance of sea. So India knew its importance of sea very long back. In between somewhere we lost the track, and the countries which had good naval power strength like Spain, Portugal, Britain, UK, they ultimately control the globe. You can understand the importance of sea on these aspects alone. But economy of an ocean does not depend on the surface of it, not only on the trade. Economy of the ocean also has to be within the ocean right up to the floor. Most of the ocean floor is flooded with nodules of rich minerals, and we have not exploited them. We only think that the fish is the only thing we can eat from the ocean.
यापर पारिकर विभिन्न प्रसंग रे एक सांबादिक सम्मेलन करिसेंती। आसंतु देखिबा कोन कहिसेंती पारिकर।
I would ensure, in fact what he said is the correct line, that the defense presence will be felt more in Orissa, so that if we can get more people trained, get more people in the army, as well as create more employment, more production. See, I have been trying to work out with Airport Authority of India, Civil Aviation, to get many of the Air Force based airports for better use of civilians. I believe that I should have a very good strong relation with my neighbor, and I am already exchanging a lot of joint exercise, discussions, training.
परवर्ती खबर को आसिबा पाउना विवाद को नहीं काकटपुर मंगल